BOOQABLE Online Rental Shop Tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use BOOQABLE. BOOQABLE is a rental software or online booking system that's perfect for anyone that would like to rent items. So for instance, if you want to rent mountain bikes, if you would like to rent anything at all, for example, if you want to start to doing party rentals, you will be able to create a website that will allow you to do that, which will allow you to track inventories, create invoices, and so much more. If this sounds good to you, be sure to stick around until the end and also hit that like button. Now to get started, you're going to go onto BOOQABLE.com. Then you're going to tap on Start Free Trial. After selecting Start Free Trial, you can enter your email address. After filling in those information, you'll be redirected to this page. What industry does your company belong to? And you can see numerous different categories that you can choose from. So for example, let's say we rent party items, we could select event and party. Then from there, you could select event decor, whether you rent tents, event booths. There are numerous options that you can select from. Let's say, for example, event decor, and we'll tap on continue. After you have done that, when did you start your business? So I'm going to be saying 2025. What was the revenue? And you can select it right there. After doing that, how many employees? And I'm going to select 1. Then we'll tap on continue. After doing that, you're just going to give it a few seconds while they create your profile in the background. After it has created your profile, if you call your customers, for example, instead of it being customer, you like to call them client, you can do that. You can select whichever one of these options right here. You can change or create, better yet, create your glossary right there. Then you will tap on enter your account. After selecting enter your account, you can go over to the left hand menu option and you can start adding inventory. So you could tap on inventory from the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on add product in the top right hand corner. This is where you'll be able to add your product name. So you could put in test, or for example, let's say we rent tents, we could type in tents right here. And after you have done that, you'll see images that you can choose from, and you can tab across until you see an image that match what you rent. So let's say this one, then you're just going to tap on the pin icon. Then you'll scroll down and you can see rental products, sale item or service. We're going to be selecting rental product. After doing that, you can choose to track individually, or you can choose to track quantities right there like that. So we'll select this one. Then we're going to scroll down and you can set the price that you charge per day. Or if it is a case that you don't rent per day, instead you rent per hour, you could select per hour, or you could select week or month. After doing that, you can also enable variations if you want, and you're going to tap on save. Once you have done that, you can add the stock. So you'll tap right there. And let's say, for example, I have 19 tents. I'll add it right there and I'll tap on add stock items. And you can see they have been added right there. After they have been added, you can also tap on variations and you could enable variations if you want. You can also edit the pricing if you want from this section. And you can also edit the settings if you like to upload different images or so on. You can do that. And you can also tap on online store, and from here you could edit the description or better yet add the description. Now that you have added your inventory, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on online store. After selecting online store, you'll be redirected to this page and you can see that you can also add BOOQABLE to website, but we're just going to tap on browse templates and you can see the different templates that you can choose from. So you could scroll down and choose one, or you can select from the categories from the left hand menu option. Now let's say, for example, I want to use this one. I could tap on install theme. After selecting install theme, you're going to give it a few seconds. Then after doing that, you can tap on customize. Once you have selected customize, you'll be able to customize the theme to your liking. So for example, you can tap on add section and you could add different sections. You could add the image right there. You can also go over to the left hand menu option and you can see the About Us you could add. You could add the article, you can add call to action. You can see numerous options that you can add from the left hand corner right there. And by scrolling down, you can scroll through and you can edit each section to your liking. Now to edit a section, you'll go over to the left hand menu option. From here, you could edit the header section. So you could tap right where you see URL number and you could input your number or your business number. You can also add in your business, for example, email address and so on. Then you'll tap on hero and that will allow you to change this picture and also the text. So you can see the title right here. You could change that. You can scroll down, change the description, and you could also change the image. After doing that, you can continue scrolling down and you could edit this section, the card free delivery. You can edit all of this section by going over to the left hand menu option. So this is where you'll be able to edit it. You could tap on collection. Then from there, you could create a new collection by tapping on create collection. You could give the collection a name and then you can add the products that you would like to add to that particular collection. So you have all of the editing options on the left hand column. So you can scroll down and you can edit each section. Once you have edited the sections to your liking, you'll tap on preview in the top right hand corner and you can preview how your website looks. Once your website is to your liking, you'll tap on publish and you can see that it has been published. Then you'll tap on exit in the top left hand corner and you can tap on rental period and you'll be able to edit the time that you would like to rent your items. So for example, let's say you consider one day from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. You can set that up right there and then you can add and you can also set up the time that you'll normally pick it up or the return time right there. So you can set up all of your different policies. You can also set up the taxes. You can also set up the pricing right here and you can change the currency to your liking. So you can edit all of those information as you can see there. You can tap on payment providers and this is where you'll be able to connect Stripe and PayPal. So these are the two methods that you'll be able to offer your customers or clients to get paid. And that's basically it. Once you're finished doing that, if it is a case that you'd like to add more features, for example, booking or so on, you could go over to the left hand menu option and tap on App Store. From there, you could add in your Meta Pixel, which will allow you to better convert with Facebook ads or Instagram ads. And you can also add Google Analytics or MailChimp if you would like to do email marketing. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to set up BOOQABLE. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.